In this quick video, I'm going to give you 4 of the main reasons why you're not losing unwanted body fat, why you're struggling to see results within your training routine, and how you can start to finally achieve results, lose unwanted body fat, and push towards your goals. I'm going to kick the video off with the number 1 reason I think so many people are not seeing the progress that they want, and it is holding so many back from achieving their results, and that is having an inconsistent calorie deficit. You already know what a calorie deficit is. You basically need to consume less calories than you burn. You hear it all the time online. However, so many people are not consistent with this here. I actually have a calorie calculator on my website. I'll link below that you can go in and give you an example of what your starting calories could be for you to start to lose unwanted body fat. But as I said, so many people go wrong because they're not consistent. They'll maybe have a few good days where they're in the calorie deficit, then especially at the weekend they'll go way over their calories, and they're in this never ending cycle of losing a wee bit of weight and then gaining it right back up again. So if you want to start to finally see results, you need to have a consistent focus on your calorie deficit, especially for at least a month, and then you can always make progress from there, whether you need to adjust calories or increase your training protocol, whatever it may be. So point number 1 that's holding so many people back is having an inconsistent calorie deficit with their nutrition. So if you can focus on this key point right away, being consistent with it, you're going to start to see brilliant results. So point number 2, in which is holding so many people back from their weight loss journey and their fitness goals, is not being consistent with their fitness routine and not having a progressively focused training program. Okay, so it's the same thing that goes for the nutrition and the calorie deficit. It is being inconsistent. You're maybe having one brilliant training session throughout the week, and then you're overdoing that progress by not training at all and by overeating. So then you're not seeing progress within your training routine. It is better to be consistent, have maybe 3 good solid sessions, and each workout is focused on progression. Now this is where my Training Like a Warrior online workout studio is so beneficial, because I have all the workouts and programs structured in a way where we're constantly adding in that progressive overload week in and week out. So many people just go ahead and do random workouts, even like here on YouTube. They'll do one session one day and then they'll do a completely random different workout the next day. That is fine. However, if you're not focusing on progression and you're not consistent with that progression, you're not going to see results. And another thing with the training is they're not bringing the intensity, okay? They're just doing a workout just to say that they are doing the workout, and that is not helping you. It's the same thing with your nutrition. You need to be consistent, you need to push your body, and you need to add in that progressive overload to start seeing results. So moving on now to reason number 3, and I'm going to keep this quick, is lack of sleep and having high stress levels. Now I know you hear this time and time again, but it is so important for you to focus on getting at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and to keep your stress levels low, because that is going to affect so much, even more than you realize. Because if you're not getting enough sleep, it's going to be really bad for your recovery with your training. It's going to be harder to make progress. You're going to make worse nutrition decisions, because whenever you're tired and your stress level is high, you're just going to grab something quick and easy instead of actually making smarter decisions and to actually enjoy the process. Because whenever you have a good sleep, your body's recovered, your stress levels is lower. You actually want to enjoy your training. You want to make smarter decisions, because you know whenever you're eating good, you're feeling good, and it is going to equate to better results. So right away, focus on trying to get your sleep patterns better and keeping those stress levels down. The final reason, in my opinion, why I feel so many people are not seeing results within their weight loss journey and within their fitness goals, is because they are spending too many times on gym machines, okay? There's people that go into the gym every single day. They are sitting at an office all day, then they're going into the gym, sitting down on a machine, pushing out a few weights. They're not even pushing their body with progressive overload. They're just going through the motions. They're moving from one machine to the other, sitting down, and they're not actually on their feet. They're burning very little calories. They're not moving. They're not adding enough cardiovascular training into their routine. And I truly believe that holds back so many people, because if you ever notice, even the statistics showcase that the majority of people who go to the gym do not even see results. This is why I put these follow along workouts on my YouTube channel, to help people get up, get moving, whether it be with just a pair of dumbbells, a kettlebell, or the power thrown body weight. They're getting moving, it's functional training, you're hitting multiple muscle groups within each movement, and therefore you're getting more bang for your buck within that 20-minute session than in which most people go into the gym and spend an hour sitting down for. So that's just my opinion, but if you're one of those people who go into a gym just to say that they go to the gym, they're sitting down on machines, I encourage you to get up, to get moving, to add in more movements where you're standing, you're moving, more bodyweight exercises, and even add in a few of my sessions within the YouTube channel or within my online workout studio. And I guarantee you that you're going to speed up the rate of fat loss, feel a hell of a lot much better, and start to see brilliant results.